Oh, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get a Chime cash advance. So if you've been wondering how to get a Chime cash advance, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to check eligibility. So you want to ensure that you have a Chime spending account in good standing, and as well as to verify your identity and address. If you meet those eligibility criteria, then the first thing you want to do is to enable Spot Me. Now, of course, how you do that is to log into your Chime account and then navigate to the settings or account section and enable Spot Me. Chime's cash advance feature, that's what it's called. It's called Spot Me. So you gotta go ahead and enable that. Now, the third step, of course, is to set your cash advance limits. Now, Chime will assign a cash advance limit based on your account activity. So you can adjust your limit in the Chime app or the website. So once you set your cash advance limit, you're going to be good for the next step. And the next step, of course, is to request a cash advance. Now, you can do that obviously by first logging into the Chime accounts and then navigate to the Spot Me section and tap or click Request a Cash Advance. And then you enter the amount you want in advance. Of course, this is based on your assigned limits. You know, the highest you can go is based on the limit that has been set based on the standing of your account. So then you want to review and confirm that. So you got to review the terms and conditions of cash advance and confirm that you want to receive the cash advance. Now, there are a couple of details to note when it comes to cash advance. The first is there is no interest or fees on cash advance, so you don't got to worry about paying interest. The second, of course, is to repay the cash advance automatically from your next direct deposit. So you can set that up, and cash advance limits vary based on the account activities and other factors. So based on how you use the Chime app or your activities on the Chime website on your accounts, they're gonna set an automatic limits on how much you can request. So you want to be able to request a lot more, then you got to be more active and you got to do a lot more with your accounts. These are a couple of tips that I got for you guys. So the first is to only request cash advance when necessary. You know, it's quite easy to have access to it and then want to do it even though you don't need it. So I'd recommend that I advise that you guys only take it when you really need it, when it's useful. All right. The second, of course, is to ensure timely repayment to avoid negative account consequences. So of course, if you don't pay back on time, your account is going to suffer for it. So the next time you might want to request an advance, you might find yourself in a situation where you have a much lower limit than before, and this would be due to untimely payment. The third, of course, is to regularly check your account activities to detect any suspicious transaction. If somebody else is having access to your account or whatever, by regularly keeping an eye on your account, you're going to be able to catch that early on. So those are the tips I got for you guys, and that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, and comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.